Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, all-wheel drive, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, driver lumbar, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Subaru CPO vehicles have no secrets. You'd never have to wonder about vehicle history, reliability, and durability. Qualifying vehicles have passed through a stringent process determined by Subaru of America. When shopping for a pre-owned Subaru, the best place to look is your Subaru dealer.